1 month after allegations surfaced about a former Mount Carmel doctor prescribing deadly doses of painkillers, tonight we have new developments on the mounting number of lawsuits facing the hospital and that doctor.
Action is now being taken by the attorney for William Usel, the doctor connected to at least 34 patient deaths at Mount Carmel. NBC4's Dan Perlman is joining us live now outside the hospital with the latest on that part of this strange case. Dan?
Yeah, tonight the number of wrongful death lawsuits facing Mount Carmel and Dr. William Usel stands at 16, but we are seeing those developments in 3 of the cases. Bonnie Austin, Jan Thomas, and Sue Hodge, 3 women their families say died as a result of the drugs ordered by Dr. William Usel. Those families have all filed suit, but in motions filed this week, it's Usel's attorney asking for a stay or a delay in their proceedings pending the possible criminal case. The motions also laying out how the doctor's defense team interprets what happened. His lawyer, writing Hodge, was in a pulseless arrest shortly before dying. He says Thomas's condition was not compatible with life or meaningful recovery prior to death. And he writes Austin never regained consciousness after cardiac arrest. Attorney David Schroyer is representing the families of all 3, and he says their conditions before death not the issue. He says it's the drugs.
We have alleged that this dosage of fentanyl was lethal and it terminated their life before their natural termination would have occurred. So under Ohio law, that's not permitted.
And the lawsuits allege Usel ordered Austin 600 micrograms of fentanyl, Hodge 800 micrograms of the drug, and Thomas 800 as well.
Under Ohio law, there's absolutely no justifiable reason for administering a dose of medication that will cause premature death from what normally would occur.
And we have reached out to Usel's attorneys several times for comment on these cases. So far, no response. Local for you in Columbus, Dan Perlman, NBC4.